Today I'm kicking off a new series where I'm going to be reviewing TikTok viral makeup to tell you if I think it's overrated, underrated, or properly rated. First up for today is the Maybelline Sky High. This is still very talked about on TikTok, and for a good reason. I think this is properly rated. This is one of the best mascaras at the drugstore if you're looking for length. This one will give you length and volume. This one will just give you a lot of length. Both are amazing. The Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand, I have to say, I think this is a little bit overrated. A little bit. I like the formula on this, but not everybody's gonna be able to wear something this metallic. They're just not. I mean, it's gonna draw attention to texture. Is it beautiful? Yes. But does it deserve all the hype? I don't know.